This tree has been trying to fall down for more than a year. It is dead, with the trunk rotted all the way through, supported by a much smaller tree. If the support tree were cut, both would fall down. Several neighbors called the city to report the danger to many people walking this road. August 2020, a windstorm moved the dead tree. Cracks appeared in the support tree. Every day, the trees appeared to get lower. More cracks appeared. On the fifth day, the trees looked low enough to reach. Tim and I grabbed a branch. 3 or 4 pulls. Both trees crashed to the ground. The dead tree was covered in poison ivy. I had long pants and long sleeves on a hot summer day. Tim did not. We both had mild cases of poison ivy a few days later. I sharpened my chain often. After a couple of years, it was cutting crooked. I replaced the chain with a new one and had the old one professionally sharpened. Here's Charlie helping. He's always looking for wood to heat his house. Almost done. I spent a couple mornings trimming and cleaning up. Thanks to everyone who helped with the road this year, especially Charlie with his white buckets. Every time a pothole appeared, he was there to fill it up.